Happy Q4, everybody. October is here and weather is nicer, and outside is where I'm spending far more time. But I want to talk market with you. I have here something handy dandy to discuss. So, going into Q4, obviously, that leads into holidays and winter markets. And, overall, the market tends to slow in most areas, but not always the case. I thought we could go over annual trends. What you were looking at here is from 1990 to a projected 2025. These are home prices. So a lot of people talk about bubbles, housing market concerns. Here is going into 04, 05, 06, 07, bloop, 08. We had a bubble, and then there was a correction, and we saw home prices go below this trend line. This trend line being an average of 4%. Appreciation is seen as a healthy, and that is just the long-term average appreciation in home values. So 4%, we go from 2010 all the way to 2020, and we're just about to hit the line, and then COVID, and we get some fun inflation and staggering buyer demand that pushes us above the line, above what we would expect for a healthy trend, to the point where we got 9.9% above trend at an average home price of $408,000 across the nation in 2024. So in 2025, we're projecting now a $418,000 average home price across the nation, leaving us 8.3% above the trend. What that means, more so than not, is home prices are above where they should be, but we're seeing kind of a stabilization. Interest rates are actually helping. The fact that they've been pushed higher is keeping us a little bit more stable. If they come down and buyer demand goes up, we might actually see more inflation and staying above that trend line. Regardless, I don't believe personally that a bubble is likely. Home prices are not going to go down. They are going to stabilize or go up. So either way, I would recommend holding on to your asset, keeping your home in good shape, and if you need someone to help you do it, hang on to it. I'm also big into investing and leaving it behind you. Of course, if you need to sell it to get your equity out, that's what you got to do. But if you have a way to hold it, keep that appreciation in your favor. All we know from this for sure is that time over time, that value is going to go up. So if you can hold it and someone else pays the mortgage on it, that's in your best interest. Regardless, I'm always here for you. If you have a question, you need some real estate advice, I know a few things, you can always pick my brain. I hope you're doing well. I'll talk to you later.